I want to have a quick conversation about QuickBooks Enterprise versus Online versus Pro. So here's a review I want you to pay attention to. What is really the difference between QuickBooks Enterprise, QuickBooks Online, and QuickBooks Pro? When you analyze QuickBooks products, first of all, you got to pay attention to a few things. And in today's conversation, I want to use a few pointers to help you understand what we're talking about. The thing is, QuickBooks is really great when it comes to accounting products. It has been so for the last, 30 years, 40 years. And the thing is that the way we want to analyze those three software tools is through the various stages of its capability. For example, let's look at the deployment. When it comes to deployment, QuickBooks Online is a reliable cloud-based accounting software primarily designed for small businesses. So being a SaaS product, QuickBooks Online is accessible anywhere, anytime, and on any device, including your mobile phone. Its cloud-based architecture means what? It means you don't need to install the software, plus its updates are automatic, hence it's very easy to maintain. On the other hand, QuickBooks Pro and QuickBooks Enterprise are essentially deployed as on-premise solutions with support for various devices such as Mac and Windows. However, what we have seen in our research is that this vendor, Intuit, that is, has revolutionized the way these solutions are deployed. Notably, QuickBooks Pro can be deployed in the cloud, but the process always encompasses further hosting setup because it may need the skills of a professional developer. Now, on the other hand, QuickBooks Enterprise with hosting, which is an innovative option that allows users to deploy QuickBooks Enterprise in the cloud, makes it accessible anywhere, anytime, and on any device, including Mac, tablet, and Windows. What about the target users? Let's talk about the target users. So when you think about QuickBooks Enterprise, Online, and Pro, think about the target users. First of all, let's talk about QuickBooks Online. This is an easy-to-use accounting solution, ideally perfect for small businesses with a small workforce of up to 5 employees. The software doesn't come with all the bells and whistles, but it's still powerful enough to help small businesses accomplish basic accounting tasks, so micro businesses. And but when you think about the Pro, QuickBooks Pro, this is a robust accounting solution designed with small and medium-sized businesses in mind. So the platform offers a suite of reliable tools that include core accounting functionalities such as project accounting, accounts receivable and payable, payroll management, and expense management. QuickBooks Pro is ideally perfect for businesses that have outgrown the QuickBooks Online and only require less than 3 simultaneous users. What about the Enterprise? Well, QuickBooks Enterprise is a comprehensive accounting suite explicitly designed for medium businesses and large enterprises. The solution provides incredibly advanced features such as invoicing, time tracking, project management, and inventory management. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. I really appreciate having you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Now let's talk about the pricing here. So when you think about pricing, you need to understand the cost of accounting software varies based on it really varies based on a diverse set of factors, such as the number of features and the type of deployment that you have. And so when you think about QuickBooks Online, first of all, out of the three, QuickBooks Online is the cheapest because Online is really believed to be the most affordable QuickBooks version. It is available in 4 options, namely the Simple Start, the Essentials, the Plus, and the Advanced. So from a single user point of view, the QuickBooks Online is cheap, but remember, this option doesn't come with all the bells and whistles. This means that when you finally expand and add more users, this version may not offer excellent value for money. This is for QuickBooks Online. Let's talk about QuickBooks Pro. Now, because Pro is an on-premise software, its pricing structure is different from that of QuickBooks Online. Pro is available in 2 plans, the Pro and the Pro Plus. The Pro plan costs a one-time fee of $299.95 and includes technical support only for the first month. On the other hand, Pro Plus offers the best value for $300 annual subscription with unlimited 24/7 technical support. So that's for the QuickBooks Pro pricing. Now let's talk about the QuickBooks Enterprise pricing. Now, I think I've said this before, that enterprise, when you think about enterprise, think about a large company. So if you manage a large enterprise, you would quite probably want to know the cost of QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, the thing is that QuickBooks Enterprise is quite expensive compared to the other 2 versions. So at about $1,200 a year, This is clearly a product for organizations with deep pockets. However, as expensive as it is, the QuickBooks Enterprise offers all the bells and whistles you would want in a bookkeeping accounting software, and it has 6 times the capacity of QuickBooks Pro. So it's really up to you to really think about which version of QuickBooks you really want for your business, depending on what I just said, right? Enterprise, Online, or Pro. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you about today's topic. We are having a conversation about the QuickBooks Enterprise versus Online versus Pro. I want to talk to you about the features here. Let's quickly have a conversation. It's important to understand that when you talk about the features, obviously we want to talk about some of the most important features, because some features are not available in QuickBooks Online, because this is actually the least sophisticated version here. So the features that I'm talking about are those features that you will find most likely in QuickBooks Pro and QuickBooks Enterprise. So keeping accurate financial statements and organized finances makes it easy to establish the financial health of your business. But to accomplish this, you need to have a solution that can scale with your business, right? So proper inventory management, for example, helps you gain in-depth visibility across your supply chain. So it's important to really pay attention to all the elements that really get into your inventory management value chain. So QuickBooks products offer inventory management as one of the core features. However, the depth and quality of the inventory feature vary from product to product. So let's talk about inventory management. So QuickBooks Online is ideal for basic inventory management. The software enables you to track and manage a limited number of inventory items. Besides, you can really create sales or purchase orders, which automatically deducts from or add to your total inventory. Alerts can be set to notify you when inventory levels fall below the recommended value. In addition to the inventory features offered by QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Pro comes with features such as the ability to manage inventory reorder points. Like the QuickBooks Online, the Pro version is mainly built for a small business that only needs to manage limited inventory items. Of all QuickBooks products, QuickBooks Enterprise is without a doubt, in our view, the most powerful in terms of inventory management, with added flexibility and the ability to hold more than 100,000 inventory items. QuickBooks Enterprise is designed with enterprise-level businesses in mind. The software makes it easy to track sales order fulfillment. This is really fantastic. Update inventory levels in real time and locate inventory tasks, all from a single dashboard. Can you imagine that? Single dashboard. Also, QuickBooks Enterprise simplifies inventory management using barcode scanning, bin location tracking, FIFO costing, and serial number tracking. Fantastic. Let's talk about invoicing. So invoicing is another feature that we pay attention to. So whether you are a brick and mortar retailer or e-commerce entrepreneur, you deserve to be paid on time for your effort, right? So the need for a prompt payment accentuates the importance of having a proper invoicing system in place. So QuickBooks Online, Pro, and Enterprise have great invoicing capabilities. With QuickBooks Online, you can create and send smart invoices straight from your mobile device. This is really good. The platform offers a set of templates that enable you to customize invoices with your accent, colors, and logo. This is just fantastic. When customers view or pay invoices, QuickBooks Online sends you instant notifications. Plus, the automated reminders let your clients know when a payment is due. So the invoicing system works in tandem with the built-in payment, allowing customers to pay invoices anywhere, anytime. And other salient invoicing features include next day deposits. You have automatic matching, invoice incrementally, and add billable hours. QuickBooks Pro and QuickBooks Enterprise have one incredible feature that is not offered by QuickBooks Online, the Invoices Status Tracker. So this feature provides in-depth visibility into the statuses of your invoices, enabling you to stay in control of your cash flow and speed up collections. This is really cool. And even better, what we have seen in our research is that QuickBooks Pro and Enterprise versions support batch invoicing. So the batch invoicing feature allows you to send multiple invoices for the same product or service at once with a single click of a button. So think about automating the whole invoicing sort of value adding process. This is really good. And what we love about the QuickBooks Pro and Enterprise versions is also the fact that you are able to streamline the whole process. So we're talking about you streamlining entire work streams in your operation. So this really adds value, because imagine if you have to manually invoice all the clients that you have, you can't really scale. Because I mean, you can do it if you have 20 clients or if you have 2 clients, but what if you have 2,000 clients or you have 2 million clients? Okay. I mean, I'm exaggerating a little bit, but you get the point. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about QuickBooks Enterprise versus QuickBooks Online versus QuickBooks Pro. So we're doing a comparative analysis. So a compare and contrast, so we have a clear idea which is which. I want to talk about reporting and analytics. So reporting and analytics are the bedrocks of today's business, which drive proactive decision making. So when you have, let's say, if you have a QuickBooks version, you want to have all kinds of data so that you can actually get the right intel to make a decision. QuickBooks products come with reliable reporting and analytics tools that make it easy to consume the available financial data. And again, we're talking about all kinds of financial data, from balance sheet data to cash flow data to income statement to owner's equity to sales to accounts payable to accounts receivable, all kinds of data. Okay. And so the thing is that QuickBooks Online provides robust reporting and analytics features that enable you to generate comprehensive reports. The software comes with more than 65 built-in reports that help you determine where your business stands. The reports focus on the dashboard view, but don't dive deep into aspects such as financial projections, business health, and job costing. Also, owing to the lightweight nature of QuickBooks Online, it only supports limited industry-specific reports. With QuickBooks Pro, you can create more than 100 one-click sales, tax, and financial reports. One advantage QuickBooks Pro has over QuickBooks Online is that with QuickBooks Pro, you can create unlimited industry-specific reports. On the other hand, QuickBooks Enterprise allows you to create more than 150 industry-specific reports. And with this product, you can use all of your QuickBooks data to generate reports and implement, ODBC compliant solutions to create custom reports. Better still, QuickBooks Enterprise is the only desktop product that can consolidate or roll up reports from numerous company files. So this is really great. This is really fantastic here. And this is where QuickBooks is really shining here by actually adding its acumen when it comes to accounting to deliver a world-class product. Let's talk about customer support. So customer support comes in handy when you run into trouble installing or using let's say an accounting software tool. And QuickBooks encourages a DIY attitude amongst its users and often pushes users towards the knowledge base before offering support via a human agent. The solution provides plenty of training videos, tutorials, comprehensive FAQ sessions, and a helpful blog. With QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Pro, human agents are often based overseas. However, the solution has US-based representatives, but these are newbies and rookies. On the other hand, QuickBooks Enterprise's Priority Circle provides benefits such as priority customer service and a dedicated customer service manager to handle all product-specific questions and needs. And what about mobile apps? Well, basically, QuickBooks Enterprise and QuickBooks Pro are locally installed, which means they do not offer mobile apps. QuickBooks Online is the winner here because it offers native mobile application and for both Android and iOS devices. So this is important to mention. In summary, QuickBooks Enterprise has more features, plus its features are more powerful and customizable. However, in terms of accessibility, QuickBooks Online has the edge over the two products thanks to its cloud-based architecture. The thing here is that you need to really pay attention to the fact that QuickBooks Pro is constantly changing, and the Pro part of QuickBooks is actually the fact that you are actually having a series of capabilities and functionalities that can really improve your business operation big time. And we're talking, and I'm not even talking about the importance of artificial intelligence and ChatGPT when it comes to QuickBooks, because the thing is that some of those big software developers, they are more like, it really takes time for them to develop new software to sort of account for new trends or new functionalities. So this is kind of important to really think about when you analyze the mobile apps and the customer support. So I just review some of the features that you need to be aware of when you think about QuickBooks Pro, and QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Enterprise. So I review the inventory management, the invoicing, the reporting and analytics, customer support, and mobile apps. Let's talk about other QuickBooks versions. So this is kind of important. And the thing is that if after comparing QuickBooks Enterprise, QuickBooks Online, and QuickBooks Pro, you didn't find a solution that was fit for your needs, and you are still convinced that QuickBooks, it can help you drive costs down, you can think about two other products. So we have QuickBooks Premier and QuickBooks Accountant. So Premier is a full-fledged on-premise accounting software designed primarily for medium-sized businesses. The solution is ideally perfect for companies that have outgrown the QuickBooks Pro version and are not big enough for the high prices and comprehensive features of Enterprise. And it's a robust solution that supports more users than the QuickBooks Pro. The best part is that QuickBooks Premier provides all the features of QuickBooks Pro, plus other unique features such as business plan creation, forecasting, an analysis tool, inventory assemblies, monitoring, and remote access. And the application makes it easy for users to pay bills, print checks, and track their expenses. So this is really what it is. And basically, that's for QuickBooks Premier. You also need right now to think about QuickBooks Accountant. So Accountant is a comprehensive accounting software primarily designed for professional bookkeepers and accountants. It is a powerful solution that combines all the features of QuickBooks Premier, Pro, and Enterprise into a single platform. And besides, QuickBooks Accountant adds extra features such as inventory report filter, multi-monitor support, and one-click transfer of credits. So this is kind of cool. So what makes QuickBooks Accountant stand out is that it provides accountants with a comprehensive toolbox with all the features they need to accomplish journal entries, trial balance, categorize transaction, and make inventory entries. And so the solution is available in two versions: the QuickBooks Premier, the online accountant, which is a free tool, and QuickBooks Accountant Desktop Plus, which costs about $349 per year. So what are the factors you need to consider? The thing is, when if you're trying to really find your best QuickBooks feature, you need to pay attention to a few things. Which one should you go for? It really depends on what works for you. So the QuickBooks products are not one size fits all accounting software. As a result, there are things you need to put in mind. You need to actually put in mind when buying the products from this vendor. So you want to consider a few things here. What are your current bookkeeping accounting needs? I mean, you got to really have a clear idea about that. What kind of needs do you have? Do you even have needs in the first place? And do you anticipate significant business growth in the near future? And which software often features to complement these needs? You want to compare the features offered by the three products and weight them against the prices. Is there a feature that you cannot do without? So those are elements you need to pay attention to and see whether or not this is really great for you. So so this will tell you the best products for you. And when is the right time to upgrade? This is another question that people ask all the time. It's good to know that Intuit stops providing updates and support for a particular QuickBooks Desktop edition after 3 years. When a version becomes obsolete, you can use it to create basic tasks like entering a bank transaction, but you will get no more support or automatic software updates. So this is something you need to be aware of. And you also need to think about getting if you really need QuickBooks, you got to ask yourself, do you anticipate significant business growth in the future? And do you have complex current bookkeeping accounting needs? And which software offers the features that you need? Okay. And at the end of the day, you got to choose the right QuickBooks software for you. And we actually have an entire show that is going to talk about that. But you need to really understand that for you, at the end of the day, everything should revolve around your scaling needs. Do you need inventory tracking? Do you need invoicing? Do you need accounts payable, accounts receivable? Do you need a scale? Do you need a cloud-based sort of solution? And so those elements will play an important role in the long run when it comes to you deciding the best software for you. One thing I want to say also is that when you pay attention to the kind of software that QuickBooks is offering, you have to pay attention to how often they're providing some kind of software updates. Because the last thing you want is to get a software that is updated like maybe not as frequently as you want, or too often, so that you can really sort of match whatever you want with whatever QuickBooks is actually offering. So, but this is a great solution though. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, we actually talked about QuickBooks Enterprise versus Online versus Pro. And so we actually analyzed those three tools with in terms of deployment, target users, pricing, features, and I also talked to you about the other versions of QuickBooks that you actually have right now. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.